Alright, kit pack 6. This is the last kit in book 2. Little brake caliper action for our front driver's side. So make sure you had this oriented correctly. If you had it reversed, save it till you get that other one and just flip them around, because this thing's hard to get back off. Anyway, this should be a fairly easy kit as long as I get all my parts. I have all my screws in here this time. Inventory my parts. Looks like we got our screws that we need this time. Thank you. Alright, we're going to take this big flat disc here and taking this piece right here. It's even marked left. Got a hole there and a hole there. 2 nubs on that side. And it goes something like that. Now take our rotor. Look at that, we got slotted rotor. And we're just going to plop that guy on. Oh, now our caliper. Do we have brake pads in there? Alright, we got like a little clippy thing on that side. So let me hold this thing together. Easier than doing brakes in real life. We're going to take it like this. Slide it over. And that's going to clip into there. Just like that. Kind of loosey-goosey in there, but I guess that's how it is. Take our tire. Okay, looks like we got a key right there. There's a key slot right there. And this piece is kind of designed just to slip over this hub, and I think it's going to allow it to free rotate. So it doesn't really talk about a keyway in the terrible instructions. I'm going to try maybe. Does it move? Oh yeah, so that's going to move around in there. So I'm going to try to line that up. Don't know if it matters. Yeah, line it up and slip it over. Alright, DSO4 screw right in the hub. Hold it on the other side. Snug, don't over tighten. See it on the little hub, on the inside hub piece there. I guess once this parts are secure, then that's going to give us our ability to roll. So don't overthink it. Am I missing a part? Nope. Still in the baggie. Our spinner cap just sits in there. Okay, that's it. Easy enough. This build book 2 is done. Here we got some of the insights there, the very first movie. Good information in there, kind of fun. Then the remake of a classic with Nick Cage. Oh yeah, and that's what we're building. There's Tanya, the Porsche. There's a Megan, the 2000 GMC Yukon. Ford Mustang 64.5. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching. Next shipment, I may just do one big vid. Let me know. Would you rather see each little kit broke out into single vids, or all 4 of the packs that come in one box, one shipment pack, all one build book done at one time. I may do it that way. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Watching the build as we progress. Boom.